Yeah, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, go. Alright, good job.
Good job, buddy.
That's good. No more. Good job, Owen.
What? You take a picture of me?
All right, go ahead off.
Good job.
The belly flop king.
One thing.
All right, Chase, go ahead. Wait.
Everybody go to the shadow lamp when you're done.
All right, go ahead, Chase.
Go. We're going to hang out in the shadow lamp.
Yeah.
On you.
I'm going to watch you hang out in the shadow lamp. Go in the shadow lamp. Owen, no more after this. Aubrey. Madison.
Oh, get off!
Go.
Get off!
Owen, mind you.
He wants to be able to get to the slide after he jumps in.
Aubrey, move so he can come up there.
All right, go ahead, buddy.
Alright, that was really good. Yeah.
No, it wasn't. You watch it on video. It looks fun.
When's the number doing that?
Good job, buddy.